Hold the brewing cup with lid and rotate to unlock. Then remove it. Remove the thermal mug by pulling it downward. Pull the filter downward to remove it from the grinding unit. Rotate the motor assembly to unlock and remove it. Rotate the grind adjustment knob to set the grind size. There are 5 grind levels, ranging from fine to coarse. Add coffee beans into the coffee bean hopper. A recommended amount for 1 cup is 0.5 to 0.6 ounces. Reinstall the motor assembly and tighten it securely. Install the thermal mug, then press the power button to start grinding. After grinding is complete, the unit will stop automatically. Remove the thermal mug by rotating and pulling it downward. Remove the filter containing the ground coffee by pulling it downward. Place the filter with ground coffee onto the support stand inside the thermal mug. Slowly pour hot water into the brewing cup and close the lid. Flip open the pour spout on the lid in the indicated direction and carefully pour hot water. Do not allow the water level to exceed the ground coffee level. After brewing is complete and most of the coffee has finished dripping, remove the filter. Unscrew the lid from the brewing cup. Then screw it securely onto the thermal mug with the drinking spout facing outward. This enables the thermal insulation and direct drinking function. You deserve a better experience.